What is up, guys? So you can probably guess where we are right now. This is our new home. I'll go further down so you can get a better picture. I know. Look how beautiful it looks, everyone. So I'm about to open it for the first time. Well, I was here before, but hold this. Okay, guys, you guys are gonna get a empty house tour. Yeah, there are no curtains. Okay, guys, we'll go downstairs first. This is the main bathroom. It's got a nice bathtub. Ooh, a little poopy. Sink. And that's the shower. Bloody men. This is our main bedroom. Obviously our bed's gonna go there. We've got some storage. Very nice. More storage. This is Aussie's, that's mine. Oh, these are both mine, I guess. And this is the ensuite. Hi! Little poopy. So it opens in and out, yep.
Ah, you have a kite?
Yeah. No, I didn't.
Bathrooms.
No, I didn't. You know, these are just the other bedrooms. Other bedroom. They do have curtains! Oh my god, I was so worried they weren't gonna have curtains. They have curtains. That's so weird. Yay!
Wow, I like it.
Alright, let's go upstairs. Yeah. Do you know how to turn off the light? You understand we gotta save power as much as we can. We gotta save power as much as we can. Okay guys, let's go upstairs. Now this is a crappy thing about it. The kitchen's upstairs and I'm gonna be in the kitchen like 24/7. You know how your girl like to eat all the time. And so this is the kitchen. It's pretty small, but that's all right. That's okay. I know, I told you. This is so beautiful. This is the deck. Why is there a tap here? So that's the full of the kitchen and dining area. The fridge will go there. Oh, that's perfect. That's enough space for our fridge. We got a dishwasher. The bin. Yeah. The rubbish bin. That's a rubbish bin. Just in case y'all was wondering. Oh, this is where the laundry is.
She got me up.
They're so stupid. Lucky we got a front loader, not a top loader. Yeah, the dryer goes up and I guess the washing machine goes down.
That's good.
Yeah, it is really nice. Let's go downstairs, everyone. There's a tap. And I guess our clothesline is over here. Cool. The heck, those people can just come and take it. And we got a little shed. Yeah, it's so weird. Yeah, I guess so. Let's go back up. Ew, what the heck is that? All flustered because, as you can see, we got a whole heap of stuff in the back for our house.
Yes, guys. Now we're going home. Take this stuff to our new house and some stuff for boys in Samoa. Yeah, we spend more money. Yes, guys, but no worries about that. Oh, the cop saw me. He see me inside the car, and I was like, oh, come on, man.
No, you didn't. No, you didn't. No, you didn't. You were like this.
Because she didn't do her football. She didn't do her football. She always do this.
Police.
The cops saw me and I was like, what's up, police? What's up, police? Don't make me feel peace.
What's up, guys? It's your boy Darnell. Good morning, people. Today is the day that we are moving. I'm in no mood to vlog, to be honest, but I'm gonna do it for y'all. We got one truckload loaded, and I'm just looking like freaking an auntie right now. So I want to show you guys upstairs because it looks so nice. It's done up. Yeah.
Is that your own balcony?
Yep.
Oh.
Not for the rooms though, it's for the...
What's it for?
Just the top.
Oh, what's down there?
Just bedrooms down here.
And a shower?
Yeah, and our ensuite.
Oh, what, downstairs?
Yeah, there's only the kitchen and the dining's up. Yeah, it does. And then we've got a toilet up here for some reason. I guess if you have guests over. And this is our lovely home.
Why didn't they make use of that space?
I know. They could have like made another room up here or pushed out the kitchen a bit further.
Happen. Happen. This song is dedicated to all my friends and especially our subscribers. Oh yeah. Especially our subscriber who likes and subscribe our blog. Thank you so much. This song is hitting my heart when someone break up with his husband or her wife. And this song's coming up his who bringing uptown. Guys, yeah, we're so busy today to move out our stuff and reset our house, new house, set all our stuff inside, and yeah, it's so good. Oh, it does. Phía mày lên lang, ai 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 ai. Good. Zoom. Lua. Zoom zoom. Golu. Zoom zoom. Ha. Well, guys, yeah, we'll enjoy. Yeah, guys. We are so happy and enjoy our weekend.
Hey guys, so we're still getting our stuff ready to take over. We're just taking our bed, which means we have to sleep in our house tonight. Say hi, Mom. Yeah, this was our camera that we got when this one broke. Well, can you just open this? Open it. Oh my god, I was taping the box and not her reaction. I'm so annoyed. Bruzzy. I have been on the go since this morning. My hair has not changed. Just so very
Yeah, guys.
And
we are busy today.
Yep, we just picked up a filing cabinet for my mum. We've already taken the big stuff to our house. And ew, why did you copy my look? Yeah. So we got our family here. I swear these stairs, I will be like size 8 by the end of this year. It's coming together, guys. So we got our lamp there. That's our coffee table. Still need to get TV. Hi, Ronnie.
I thought you didn't like her food.
Right, fight, are we going?
Oh, here, Mum, we got. Mum. Yeah, we don't have any groceries. And this is the bin.
Doesn't that thing extend?
Huh?
Doesn't that thing extend?
What?
That other thing? Make that like
The what? IKEA.
Oh,
Hi guys. Yeah. Chippa.
ready, check, do it.
I hope no one needs to go to the toilet because we've got no toilet paper.
What did they say?
Guys, we have not vlogged all day. We are exhausted. Just want to give you a short tour of our place now. Well, just where we are now because I can't be bothered. So that's our new bookshelf that we bought because the other one was like expired. We've set up our light. We've got our coffee table. Oh, and there's some lollies there. You can have some if you want some. And there's Aussie. There's my laptop. I'm about to edit a vlog. We've got dinner cooking, a salad. Pretty much the kitchen's all set up. We've got tea, coffee, and sugar. That's not meant to be there. And yeah, we got our fruit basket. And I am exhausted. I don't really know.
Hello everyone. Now we just have a rest from all day. We're busy all day.
So we'll show you guys dinner soon. And I also need to let you guys know as well that I'm no longer on my 90-day challenge. I ate meat on like the 40-something day. But it was just as well. I mean, I'm not making any excuses, but I know that the weight that I lost was somewhere around 5 kilos all up. But just briefly, the whole time that I was on it, I just found myself really hungry. So my portion control was not as strict as it was in the beginning. But especially now that Siaosi and I have moved into our own house, it would be really expensive to buy and make 2 separate meals. It's really difficult, and I can't see Siaosi eating vegetarian meals because he loves his meat. So now that we're in our house, it was just unsustainable, I guess you could say, if I had to cook both different meals. I mean, he's not going to cook his own food, let's be real. So I would have to cook 2 different meals, and I just was not down for that. So it's probably the best thing, but I'm definitely still trying. Like, you know, I'm not just splurging out on anything. And I'm taking it easy with the meat as well on my body, because I understand I haven't had it for that long, for a long time, I mean. I know a lot of people were holding out for a update, and we just got so busy with trying to get our house sorted, moving in, and just preparing that I didn't have time to. I know that's a really poor excuse, but I really didn't have time to. So still look out for more, because I'm going to still be trying here and there, but just settling into our house at the moment.
Yep.